welcome to Beard Basics. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy recipe for making beard oil at home. Let's get into it. All you're going to need to make beard oil at home is a container. I like the dropper containers. It allows you to put exactly how much oil you want on your hands, then put in your beard. Oils, so I've got some jojoba oil here and castor oil, two of my favorites. And then the essential oils. So I'm going to use Bergamot oil and Frasier Fir. So quick on the carrier oils. So beard oil is 98% usually carrier oil, and the other 2% is the essential oils. This is the stuff that really gets the nutrients you want into your beard and skin. So it's more or less the most important. And then the essential oils just add scent. So you don't actually need them, but they smell good. Let's get on to mixing. So we got a container. Let's pop that little guy open here. So like I said, this stuff is mostly carrier oils. So with these two, I'm doing mostly jojoba. So I mean, you can get like a funnel or something, but I just put it in. Alright, so I'm doing mostly jojoba. Okay. Okay. And then some castor. So this stuff's way thicker. That'll help quite a bit, actually. Alright, I don't like to fill it up all the way. Leave a little space for mixing. Okay, got my carrier oils. Let's get some essential oil. I'm going to do the Frasier Fir first. I do 10 to 15 drops for a bottle this size. And I like this scent more, so I'll do a little bit more of this. Okay, so it's not really dropping. Usually it drops. Shoot for 10. Do the bergamot next. Do that. About 5 drops of that guy. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So got our essential oils in there. Let's mix it. And you're done. That is homemade beard oil. Hey guys, thanks for watching the end. Really appreciate it. If you got value out of this video, smash that like button. And if you want to stay tuned for more videos, hit the subscribe. See you next time. Cheers.